schizophrenic. Suicidal schizophrenic.
Still rolling in the day, I cannot get sleep. All these demons in my head have me weak at my knees. That is a big devil trying to contact me. He didn't leave a message after he done heard the beat. What the fuck you mean? The young white trash flow is me. Still fiending for them drugs I put in my body. Is anybody gonna love me? I've been feeling too lonely. I sit up at 4 AM asking the devil to hold me. I sit inside my head still feeling abandoned. I don't want no fucking pictures even if they are candid. Candlelit dinners feeling like candlelit seances. Young black cat witch, yes, the devil I'm worshiping. Sheesh. Little slit wrist junkie, there's a name that resides in me. Still wondering if I want my ashes scattered into the seas. That being said, I kinda want them scattered amongst the trees, but in the long run, just do with them as you please. That's a message to my brother in case my mother was wondering. I don't need him fucking feeling like I was just giving up on it. I'm just giving up on the world cause I'm feeling too tired. To the goddamn point, I don't wanna live in it. Don't know what to do, my head's in a noose. Laying in a field of lilies with my head in the dice. How can I live my life without a way to escape? Every fucking day I'm being haunted by all of my pain. Fuck!
Under the motherfucking muffler, you about 90.
Suicidal schizophrenic. Suicidal schizophrenic.